Get in there.
What do you
gotta
think,
bite,
sis?
Kylie.
It's purple and pink. You can go. Kylie, you can push it.
Me try to.
Is it too tall?
No. Watch out. There. Whoa. I'm on the wrong thing. There.
There you go. Addison, can you push that?
There. Stop.
Push it with your foot. Can you push it?
It's a car.
Whoa! Whoa! Is that your car?
Let's see what else Santa brought, Kylie.
Kylie, it's got a Barbie bike on it.
And she's riding the bike too.
Yeah! And it's got a little basket with Barbie on it.
Wow.
There you go. Whoa!
I'm trying to get out this mess.
Huh? Is that your car?
That's if I can
She just wants to push it without steering it, though, which is a little scary.